Thank you very much to SI for the invitation to present today on behalf of Project NOAA. My name is Danièle Pralong and I look over development and daily operations at Project NOAA. NOAA stands for Networked Organisms and Habitats. Originally launched out of New York University in 2010, it is originally designed as an online platform to simply help people share their nature sightings. Very much technology-driven, with an emphasis on mobile devices, it benefited from a lot of media coverage at the beginning and rapidly got adopted as a citizen science platform. Original funding from NOAA came from a Kunis Enterprise, National Geographic, and the World Summit Award on Mobile Learning. NOAA is very engaging and interactive. The home screen here of the web-based interface shows a live feed of activity on the site. Records are very easy to create, with the minimum requirement being one image, a location, and a date. Observations, which we call spottings, can be assigned to specific projects or missions, and identification of organisms can be outsourced, crowdsourced. The mobile application, which is free, has a field guide option, which lets you see what has been spotted nearby you, and an offline mode, where you can upload observation in places with no connection, which makes NOAA a perfect tool for remote field work. We have an educational platform where teachers can set up classrooms and benefit from existing lessons or create their own project around their school. NOAA has a very broad user base. Our aim is to attract to citizen science part of the public which normally would not be confident to join more specialized projects. So we have retirees, children, professionals, amateurs, people from all areas of life. To this day, with over 325,000 users, we are the largest global online community for nature sightings. We have more than 1.5 million images from all 7 continents and 196 countries, including some biodiversity hotspots. Most of our observations come from North America, not surprisingly, but we also have received a large number of contributions from Asia. Our highest number of records are actually insects, followed by plants, and then birds and mammals. As a matter of examples, Project NOAA has provided the first location for documentation of butterflies and moths from Bhutan. We have helped set up the first online identification resource for butterflies and moths from the Philippines. And we also host a very unique mission on the flora of the Levant, which knows no geopolitical boundaries. Project NOAA is affected by all issues of concerns in citizen science, and motivation is one such issue. To keep our members engaged, we award patches for special achievement. We invite people to write for our blog. A sense of ownership is important, and members are allowed to create their own local missions. Visibility matters as well, and our daily highlights and easy ability to share on social media is very important. Our more consistent users can become site rangers and help monitor the site, and we also run an annual photo competition. The most critical issue is that of data validation. For location accuracy, records uploaded from mobiles have their GPS location automatically uploaded from the device. For identification, all identification can be suggested and voted by peers, but they weight by reputations, and all spottings can be flagged in case of incorrect identification. We very much rely on professional experts who visit the sites and provide their help, and also very often visit the platform looking for possible species yet to be discovered. But most importantly, our experts are mostly amateurs, very enthusiastic hobbyists who move from platform to platform and carry their reputation with them and really break the wall between institutional science and the general public. The concrete outcomes of NOAA are of societal and scientific nature. We help people join local nature projects. Some people have become confident to join more specialized platforms. People have started their own nature websites or projects. We're used to compile nature guides, but most importantly, some of our young users have moved on and got into higher education in the scientific area. NOAA has also resulted in the publication of scientific papers, mostly about new location for species or newly discovered species. The example here of the description of the establishment of a South American spider in California, and here the discovery of a new species of stick insects from the Philippines. The future of NOAA very much revolves around the issue of funding. Originally set up as a company and now far from being a startup, we are actually running on minimum funds and are running on shoestrings and on an entire volunteer basis. We're now considering turning into a non-profit, opening our code, opening our database, and make our data more portable across platforms. We need to redevelop our web and educational platforms, update our mobile app, and particularly our Android app, so that we can become more widely available on cheaper mobile devices. And in this context, we are looking for partnerships with any organizations that value our core work and would like to move in the direction that we're moving to. Thank you very much.